Have you ever wondered what is the amount of the energy that is being produced by our sun? And will the energy available from it be sufficient enough for an entire world? And apart from this, can solar replace conventional fossil fuels? You would be having answer to all these questions, so keep on watching the video till the end. The sun that we are seeing in our sky is basically naturally occurring thermonuclear reactor which continuously undergoes a nuclear fusion reaction in which two small entities combine with each other to form a larger entity and release enormous amount of energy equivalent to 3.8 into 10 to the power 28 watts. Our Earth intercepts 173,000 terawatts of the energy. When we compare this energy with the energy that is being released by our Sun, the amount seems to be very small. But when we compare it with the amount of the energy that a human population uses in an entire world, then this figure is 10,000 times larger than the amount of the energy required. So basically we could say that even if we are able to capture 0.01% of the total energy that is being intercepted by Earth, then we would be able to generate sufficient energy for an entire Earth. The first and foremost is lack of technology. The technology that we are currently using to convert solar energy to electricity are photovoltaics and concentric solar power plants. However, none of these work at efficiency higher than 25%. But scientists are working on this and they have developed a photovoltaic cell which can work at efficiency of 44.5% in laboratory conditions. But these cells are yet to be commercialized and cannot be used currently in the solar panels. The second one, most of the equipments that are currently used by humans work on the fossil fuel. So if we want transition from fossil fuel to solar, then all this equipment needs to be redesigned to work according to the solar energy. The third one, that is inconsistency in solar energy. It is only available 10 to 20% of time in entire day. Apart from this, the energy received from the solar also keeps on changing on monthly basis, whereas its competitor like fossil fuels and nuclear are 100% consistent. The fourth one, solar requires 450 times larger land area as compared to the land required by nuclear to generate equivalent amount of energy. The fifth one, currently we do not have the batteries that could efficiently store solar energy in form of electricity. Looking at current scenarios, we could definitely say that solar cannot replace fossil fuel by 100%. However, with advancement in the technology, the contribution of solar towards the energy basket is going to increase in next 40 to 50 years, and it may be one of the major contributor in generation of electricity. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the latest notification regarding our videos, and also share with your families and friends.